Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat soba. So making soup, I got special item from my friend. Wild mushroom. It's called CHICHITAKE. CHICHITAKE. So I'm just check in website information about CHICHITAKE. This wild mushroom is like a texture is a kind of like a wood chip. It's not so good, but this CHICHITAKE has a high potential, convert good flavor into the soup. Making good CHICHITAKE soup stock. I'm gonna try to make it. Then making soba soup. I had duck meat and pork meat. It's chopped, making dumpling, small dumpling with CHICHITAKE great soup, boiling together and making soba soup. Okay, making dashi, kombu in, turn on the switch. Meat, sake a little bit, pepper, shiro dashi a little bit, starch, okay, boiling now, kombu, katsuobushi, CHICHITAKE, try taste. Wow. flavor come out. Taste like some fish soup stock flavor come out from wild mushroom, CHICHITAKE. Yeah. How about chewing texture? Try it. It's not so good. It's texture like some good chip. But it's okay. Great soup from the wild mushroom. It's a great soup. Front. Sake. Mirin. Shirodashi. Soy sauce. Check taste. So good. Wow, great taste. I don't believe it. Like a fish soup stock flavor come out from wild mushroom, CHICHITAKE. It's okay. This is wild mushroom, CHICHITAKE, making soup with katsuobushi and kombu soup stock. So CHICHITAKE has a good flavor come out in the soup, and I'm just make with duck and pork dumpling. Good soup, great soup. いただきます。Wow, tastes so good. Great taste. Wow. This one is just a decoration. CHICHITAKE. Come out good soup, but texture is kind of like wood chip. Just decoration, okay? Soba. Very rich flavor. Dumpling. So good with matching with soba. So CHICHITAKE is a good wild mushroom making good soup. I'm so surprised. Tastes like a come out soup. It's kind of like a fish soup stock flavor from wild mushroom CHICHITAKE. Yeah, it's a great mushroom. I love it. I'm just get from my friend. Thank you, my friend. 美味しいです。びっくりするぐらい美味しい。This soba is my original recipe, but I really recommend meat dumpling. And just mix up duck and pork meat. Makes so easy. Please try it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. CHICHITAKE. It's great taste. Bye.